To prepare the machine for cleaning, the unit must be filled with cleaning solution. Water and cleaning agent can be conveniently added to the S20's rear hose fill port located to the left of the control panel, or the front fill port that is able to accept hose or bucket filling. It is easy to gauge the solution level by watching the fog-free solution sight gauge at the rear of the machine. Additionally, marks on the tank provide solution level indicators as a guide. This sight gauge hose performs double duty as the solution drain hose as well. You simply slide the hose off the press fitting and lower the hose to a drain or mop sink. The next step is to connect the desired cleaning pad or brush to the scrubber. Since the S20 has both disc and orbital heads, we'll demonstrate this operation independently, starting first with the disc head unit. If using a floor pad, it is connected to the S20 disc pad driver by centering it on the driver and screwing on the center lock fitting, making sure that the center lock has compressed the pad and is snug. The S20 pad driver and brushes attach using the automatic on-off system. This valuable ingenuity removes the need for operators to kneel or strain to attach the cleaning tool. First, start by placing the pad driver or brush on the floor in front of the S20 scrubber. Then, turn the unit on using the power key switch and push or drive it into position so that the unit's scrub head is centered over the pad driver or brush. Next, utilize the foot pedal to lower the scrub deck down onto the cleaning tool, making sure that the shroud completely covers it. Should the shroud be resting on a portion of the cleaning tool, the head isn't centered and will not attach properly. The operation is completed by quickly engaging the S20 activation trigger. This will click on the cleaning tool. The orbital unit can be used for daily cleaning. However, it specializes in chemical-free finish removal for low-cost finish maintenance programs. We'll demonstrate how to prepare the machine for both applications. For cleaning, the orbital unit is fit with a rectangular pad. The head comes standard with a rectangular pad drive plate with a Mighty Lock connection system. To attach the pad, align the front corners of the pad to the front corners of the orbital drive plate and press to adhere. Finish the operation by using the foot pedal to lower the scrub deck down onto the pad, ensuring alignment from front to back and side to side when doing so. When the head is properly set onto the pad, you are ready for cleaning. For chemical-free finish removal, it requires the addition of a specialized surface preparation pad. The application still requires the attachment of a traditional cleaning pad first. This pad acts as a backer pad which compensates for low and high spots in the floor. With the backer pad on the drive plate and in the raised position, align the rear corners of the unit scrub head and backer pad with the back edge of the surface preparation pad, making sure the surface prep pad is also centered side to side. Finish the operation by using the foot pedal to lower the scrub deck down onto the surface preparation pad, once again ensuring alignment from front to back and side to side. When the head is properly set onto the pad, you are ready for your finish maintenance program. The machine operation and controls were designed to minimize operator training and decrease the need for adjustments during operation. His goal was to provide an ergonomic, easy-to-use system. Due to this focus, the S20's key operational controls are all within reach so that the operator doesn't have to remove their hands to perform the operation, a key to safe, trouble-free, highly productive cleaning. The machine is powered on through a key switch on the upper control panel. The key switch is a proven way to eliminate unwanted operation. Simply remove the key and safely store it away. The next step is to set the unit to the desired solution flow. This control feature is located at the lower rear of the machine and can be adjusted from low to high flow, spanning a range of 0 to 0.5 gallons per minute. Once powered on and the solution flow is set, it takes 3 simple steps to operate the machine. lower the scrub deck, lower the squeegee, and engage the activation trigger. These steps are visually shown on the lower control panel by the S20's 1, 2, 3-step onboard operation guide. Following are the detail steps of how scrubbing and recovery functions are activated. The S20 scrub deck is lowered using a foot pedal at the rear of the unit. Place your foot on the pedal and depress the lever while shifting it to the right. Once clear of the lower notch, lifting your foot will lower the scrub deck into the operating position. The S20 has 2 down pressure settings. The disc unit has settings of 60 and 90 pounds, and the orbital unit has settings of 75 and 100 pounds. When the unit is set into operating position with the foot pedal, it is in the lower down pressure position. This position is typically used for daily cleaning of normal soils. However, should you have tough soils or want to perform chemical-free finish removal, engage the higher down pressure setting by lifting the foot pedal lever to the upper notch position. To disengage high down pressure, simply lift and shift the lever to the right and lower into normal operating position. The disc scrub head is equipped with a self-adjusting head shroud with bristle skirt that virtually eliminates overspray and increases ease of use. To lower the squeegee, lift the squeegee lever and shift it to the left to clear the notch. Once clear, lower the squeegee into the recovery position. In doing so, the S20's vacuum will activate. To begin scrubbing, engage the handle trigger. The trigger activates solution flow, the brush motor, and transaxle drive if equipped. This unique ergonomic design accommodates different operator heights by allowing the user to activate the trigger from any position on the handle. The S20 speed control and reverse switch are purposely located so that the operator doesn't have to let go of the machine with either hand to perform the function. Speed control is easily thumb adjusted, and the reverse can be depressed with your fingers on the back side of the control housing. This one-handed reverse feature allows the operator to lift the squeegee with the other hand, a small element with big rewards when in tight spaces. The battery power level gauge is located on the upper control panel. The gauge has red, yellow, and green LED lights to indicate the amount of power left in the batteries. At a predetermined discharge level, the unit will shut down the brush motor, but leave the vacuum and transaxle drive operational to perform final water recovery and transport back to storage. The scrub deck and squeegee must be in the raised position for transport. The scrub deck is raised into transport position by placing your foot on the foot pad and depressing the lever until it clears the lower notch. Once clear, shift the lever to the left and place it into the lower notch. To raise the squeegee, lift the squeegee lever high enough to clear the notch, shift it to the right, and lower it into the resting position. At this point, the vacuum fan will continue to run for 10 seconds in order to evacuate the recovery hose.